Hi friends, this topic is about recent gun violence in schools and uh, there is a little precaution or warning message to the all Hindu temples across US. If you are management of Hindu temples, if you are watching, please keep an alarm that can alert priest and everyone out there in the temple, and the door should be closed automatically, something like that. If any untoward incident happens in temples, it is because it may be, I don't want to name any race, but if any hate crimes or anything, theft or maybe robbery takes place, right? So, except in one temple in US, I didn't notice it anywhere. I came to know from my sources. And those temples, Hindu temples, means lots of money, almost like a TTD temple in India. That kind of money can be generated in Lord Balaji temples in US, but still they are paying $1,300 to $2,000 to priest instead of 3,500. That is one aspect. Second aspect is they are not spending money for security of the temple and also the alert these systems, right? Like for example, gun violence took place recently in Georgia, and another news I read in Maryland. Though the teachers check a lot of things and others outsiders not allowed, but still students carry inside. But in temples there is no security system. It is not one specific to one temple or two temples. Last 16 years I have visited lots of temples across US. I have that book also. I may show it if possible. And but still there is no what you call security system. Like they have to train their priest how to react. And another important aspect is don't wear too much of gold, because lot of what you call gangs may target if you have a lot of wear a lot of gold on your body, especially priest, I'm telling. And another thing, recently Ferment, one guy took all the jewelry out from Chase Bank and then carrying, and on the way stopped at USPS, and two people did a robbery, and of course police recovered it. And but in the comments I read, in those circumstances, if you take a lot of cash or gold out from the banks, you have to go straight to the police station, wait for 10 minutes. Someone wrote a comment so that the thieves who are following you get trapped to the police rather than directly going to the home. The person also said, what if I go to home directly? Definitely they would have killed his family members and take away the jewelry, right? So don't do such things. And midnight to 4 a.m. also traveling, also tough. Like when you open the garage, somebody may come in below your car, right? So that thing also may happen. So, but the main point is Hindu temples across US may not have a security system in place. Only in one temple, I think the security guard has a gun, but otherwise mostly no. So they need to have at least a moving vehicle with security guy always watching. Two, they need the security guy should have a gun, and third, the priest should be trained how to react in gun violence or untoward incidents. This is there on my mind from the beginning of day one, because when incident happened in Indiana state, where one American went with a gun and he almost killed most of them. And when the person said he thought they're all Muslims, but they are Punjabis. It's like a Gurudwara, some 6 prayer hall event. It was happened long ago, maybe 4-5 years ago. You can Google it. So these things, if I read school gun violence also, and recently behind my street there was a gun violence. Somebody occupied the house at 10 p.m. So those messages we got, and yeah, gun violence is very common here because average Americans carry 12 guns, right? The total guns sold in US by the total, I don't want to again take any race here, but the security systems not in place. I don't say weak, they don't have anything in place. So be cautious when you visit public gatherings and also visit temples. You ask the priest um, whether they are capable or how can they handle any mishap happens. And also priests are not getting good salaries. It's just like H1Bs. Instead of getting $5,000, they get only $1,000. In my ex-employer in New Jersey 2018 project, Maryland, I worked. He didn't pay 6 months, right? So those things also happen in the priest case, and they are paying very less or no salaries or very less salaries. So, but the context here is mainly temple management who are watching. Please put up a very good security system in place. Thank you. Good luck.